the, oh, it was stuck up. That's what counter steer means?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Probably just sit in the car, tell her where to go, and then pop out. Yeah, let her do her thing.
I'm scared.
Back up. You just all you do is walk in the car.
I'll leave you, and then I'll come back, and I'll be like, "How was that?" And then you can laugh at me.
Stuff like that, yeah. But don't get worried about the little details. Just like throw it and then see what the happens, you know, and then you'll learn from.
Okay. Nervous.
It's all right. So I just told her right now just to do mainly first gear stuff. Just go and do donuts. You're good. Full throttle! more aggressive. You're not really mashing full throttle, are you?
I thought I was trying to stay off the limiter.
No, you can be on limiter. No. Like when you're doing donuts, you gotta like be almost full throttle almost all the time.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
The e-brake is hard.
Don't use e-brake for first gear.
That's how I was trying to initiate.
No. I told you, remember, just gas throttle in. Do that, or you can even do a clutch kick. It doesn't really matter.
I'm gonna attempt to clutch, but I don't know
Okay.
what that's gonna
Yeah, just be more aggressive with it though. With how much camber's up front, it won't really turn in.
Dude, there was one time where I was doing like
Yeah,
driver.
you're like, all right, yeah.
They were like
Yeah.
pretty good.
Yeah.
I was like,
Yeah.
oh Jesus.
When you see it like understeering, like there was one point where your steering wheel was just like left and you were just like pushing the front. Does that make sense? Like you weren't sideways.
You're lying.
I'm 100% serious. All you just kept the steering wheel all the way to the left and was just driving around like in circles, but like the whole front end was pushing out. So when
That's
you
why I was like, I'm just driving in circles. I was like, go bitch, go.
No, that's all right. When you feel it understeer, just stop. You gotta just start again. Okay? No.
I know. I was like, dude, this is gonna be sick. I'm gonna be like, bitch, and then like show off. I was like, let me do a really quick show off donut, and I was like,
Yeah, I was literally the camera was like, direction you need. You just gotta get practice at it.
Okay, I'm just gonna guess.
start getting around and burning rubber, turn right, the opposite direction.
Oh.
Because you're trying to counter steer.
That's what counter steer means?
Yeah. Drifting, turning the opposite way. Counter steering.
I thought counter steering meant like...
No. When you're drifting, all you're doing is counter steering. That's it. It's just opposite of... You know how drifting is. You're turning the wheels the opposite of where you're going, right?
So you want me to flip the wheel?
So when you start going left a little bit, then start feeding the wheel right. So you can actually get the wheels to, like, you know, opposite lock, so that way you don't look like you're just driving in circles. Make sense?
I was driving in circles with no hands.
Yeah, I know, because the wheels are just stuck like that. So just, okay, just get it. Okay, feed it the other direction as soon as you start going around. Got it? Same throttle, everything.
Okay.
Okay.
I get it now.
Alright, can you just drift circle? One circle, like, you know what I mean? Where you're actually like sliding, like, you know? So it's opposite lock. Yeah, that was good. Good. You're actually drifting and not just understeering. That was good.
How many hours did that take me?
I just thought, how did you not know what you wanted to get into drifting?
I don't watch in-car footage.
Yeah, but even on the outside. Like, they'll initiate and then they go from like one lock to one lock.
Yeah, because the fucking wheel, when you let it go, it starts spinning. So I thought it passes straight and then it just, you know, keeps going. But it doesn't do that.
Now do you realize how many turns it takes to...
Dude, this spins all day, every day.
Yeah.
Adele has learned the